just to show you. Places to come out and relax, sit on the bench. It was just so nice. I hope everyone is having a great day. Okay, y'all, so I just finished working out, so I wanted to show y'all my little sauna wrap that I have. And I did a 30-minute walk, so just to show you how this looks. Get a little burn. Let's see. So after I always wear this, I always go ahead and clean this after I wear it. But just to show you how it look, burning some of this fat off. These are my war wounds from kids. But yeah, I like to wear one of these when I am working out. I had this one for a while. It held up pretty good. This is the, let me see, this is the hey. So I'm about to actually run a couple errands, and this is what I'm giving today. Get these errands out the way and come back home and work. Yesterday they had 2 cups. Ooh, Kyron.
I'm gonna pause first, all right? Up and big.
Any questions for me about it? All right, these are gorgeous. Really, really.
It's in the car. What?
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to go around and turn around. What?
Waterfall. Can we take pictures?
We might get out to take pictures.
Why? We're only driving.
Yeah, we'll need to take pictures.
And what's Santa Claus kissing?
It's already implied that if you see a Yeti, it's gonna be white.
All white. Hi, Ren. And why is Santa? Who's Santa?
His wife. What?
So I went to the mall and I came across this store called Dry Goods, and I've seen this really nice necklace, and it's also dipped in 14 karat, and I got one with the C, of course, my name. Really cute, really cute. Also, I also got these from Best Buy, and I got them on sale. I needed something over the ear for several different reasons, but I wanted to get some new headphones, and I think I got these for like $23, $25, so this definitely was a deal for me. Getting ready to go to my event, and y'all, I'm telling you, for some reason, I was just like, what am I going to wear with this? Because this is more sort of like a business type of event, so I was trying just trying to put different things together and do some really cute pants. But I came up with this outfit, so that's my red for the holidays, my pants, and I'm going to wear some boots with that, and that's what we're gonna go with.
For whatever mayo is that one, and the one in the middle is a pineapple barbecue.
As you guys probably seen in my other video, I just love Essence Tree products. This oil is amazing. It smells amazing. And I just have continued to use their products for many, many years. And I just like a really good skincare product routine. And yeah, love it.